This is the 100 kVA universal seam welding machine. You can weld the longitudinally cylinder as well as circumferentially tanks. Here we have a funnel, 100 kVA supply over here for pressure adjustment. We have the knob. You can adjust the pressure say about 65 to 70 psi. This is air filter. This is a drain knob over here. This is an air lubricator. We have to put the oil over here up to this level. Over here we have the pneumatic filter. Then we have chromium zirconium copper wheels at the top and bottom. This one here is the PMDC motor that drives the upper wheel for seam welding. Here we have microcontroller. We show you the working. You can switch it on. We set the parameters for seam welding the tanks by depressing this program button. You can see squeeze time glowing. You can increase or decrease. So keep 50 cycles. This is 000 till you come to W2. This you can set 8 cycles. Then next is the percentage energy. This also you can increase or decrease depending upon the thickness of the job. For this we have kept 44%. Then full time we are keeping 1 cycle. This is 00. Then this is the whole time 10 cycles. All 000. Now this schedule is selected for the welding tanks. This is a key for locking the parameters. Now you cannot change the parameters. And this is when you unlock, then only you can change the parameters. Here we have the PC drive speed controller for the movement of the wheels. This one you can keep about say 18 or 20, and this one over here is the on-off switch for the drive.